How to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you are in the menu page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. After you land to settings and privacy page, here you're going to find different sections. Here towards the section of account center, click on it. Now navigate to the option of personal details. Head over to the option of account ownership and control. Click on the option of deactivation or deletion. Click on your Facebook username. Now here you're going to find two options, deactivate account or delete account. Check in for the option of deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. Click on continue. For the security, here you have to type in your password. Then click on continue. Now here you have to give a reason why you want to deactivate your account and then click on continue. Automatically reactivate my account in, click on this drop down and you can select the day. I'm gonna set it to don't reactivate automatically. Then you can click on done. Click on continue. Check in for the option of continue using Messenger if you want to use it. In the case you don't want to use Messenger, don't check in for this option and then click on deactivate my account. This way you can easily temporarily deactivate your account. In the case you want to activate your account anytime, you can type in the password and email and log into your account. So this is how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.